guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes celebrity gossip, this is definitely the channel for you. Please subscribe. So guys, fans are not happy with Umaki, this Shapa queen, because Ugel is like, people are thinking, no man, you are taking it too far now, not so long ago bokangene kuma-summit ugirl beka yiwishi-wishi nje. So there's a video of her whereby she was driving and drinking alcohol, and then people were like, Sana, we understand that you are doing content, but now you are very wrong. Lento oyenzayo, you are promoting nje something that shouldn't be promoted. You are an influencer, you are a big thing, so whatever you do, people are going to be doing that whether you like it or not. So nje, the comment section, it was people reprimanding her, ukuthi girl, and please slow down with the alcohol. Like, it seems like now all of your content, guys, and sekhona alcohol, it's savannah, it's this and that, but in this specific video she was drinking a brutal fruit, and then people were like, hey sis, or maybe do you want a sponsor and I say alcohol, because alcohol is all over your content these days, tries to slow down. And guys, in this car that she was driving, there were children at the back. Mara, you are drinking and driving, ngapha ubhizi nefoni, you want to take content, which is really dangerous, So people are just like, sis, we are starting to get fed up with you. Just drive and then you'll drink when you get there, you don't have to be drinking and driving with children in the back, like you're putting their lives in danger. So I hope she listens and stop doing this thing, because now we've seen a lot of content creators, guys, doing this, and they have been reprimanded. So kuphuma kuwe whether you want to change or not, but nje Umaki, I just love her. I'm a big fan of hers. So I'm just hoping that she will change. We don't want people unfollowing her on Facebook and then she loses all the money. Like, she has worked hard for her page, so we don't want that. We really don't want that. We don't have a problem with her drinking or maybe posting her alcohol content, because these days girl, she is posting alcohol content isana a lot, but guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.